Can a pandemic be predicted within the upcoming 4 years? Dr. Anthony Fauci is the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases in the US. He made a speech about pandemic preparedness in February 2017 at Georgetown University in the US. Early in the speech, he says,
"The idea that we are now a few days away from a new administration."
Remember, that speech was on February 2017 and Donald Trump became president of the US the month before, in January. Dr. Fauci continues and says,
"There is no question that there will be a challenge to the coming administration in the arena of infectious diseases, both chronic infectious diseases in the sense of already ongoing disease, and we have certainly a large burden of that, but also there will be a surprise outbreak."
And then Dr. Fauci says,
"History tells us that we will definitely get surprised in the next few years."
Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below about whether a pandemic can be predicted within a period of the upcoming 4 years, and especially if you have experience of infectious diseases. Thank you.